Hello there and welcome to the channel. This time we're unboxing a DJI mic mini and the lightning adapter for this phone. Now I know that the sound quality is pretty good, okay-ish on this iPhone. So I thought I don't really need a big amount of stuff to take with me somewhere. You know, if I'm traveling, if I'm in the garage making videos. I think this will be a good addition to the video making stuff. I have a gimbal. I have like a tripod thing that this can. I have this tripod that the phone is on right now, and yeah, these days you don't really need a whole lot of things to have. Yeah, these days you don't really need to have like a really good top of the line camera to make all this stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this. So this smaller one doesn't have anything other than the adapter, so we won't probably look at that. Took a knife from the kitchen. Let's see what's in the box. Just a basic plastic wrapping around it. An empty box. The manual. There's a manual with I think a sticker maybe or something else. We'll see if it's a sticker so we can stick that on something later, probably in the garage. So it comes with this soft bag. Anything, no, just a tag. Lots of goodies in here. Let's see. Okay, the bag is empty. Let's put the knife away so we don't accidentally stab ourselves with it. Here we have the wind sock thingies. So there's two versions. There's a black and a gray one. I don't know if there's a difference. I'll have to look at the manual for that. Some drying stuff. Takes the moisture out. I'll probably maybe put it in here. This is the 3.5 millimeter jack that goes into if you have a DSLR or something else. Maybe also the computer. You can use the microphones as computer mics, you know, for meetings and stuff. Then we have the USB-C charging cable. And in here, it's a very small box. Press to unlock. Okay, we don't need the instructions. Press to unlock, nothing happens. We'll have to move this up. So I think they have some kind of a charge in them. I guess I'll start with this. I've watched a few videos. This is the receiver, which connects to your laptop, or you can charge it without having it in here, from here. And also there's this one thing here, which the adapter goes on. There's one adapter in here, which is the USB-C, and I'll be using the Lightning one. But yeah, that comes onto this little mount here. So right now I should be wearing one of the microphones. It's right under my chin on hoodie strap. So let's see if, I mean, it probably could be that it connects this one, but yeah, I connected this one too. So this is the microphone, and the wind socks they're attached nicely up here, and this box with the wind socks, with the microphones and the receiver, they're 179 euros, plus the lightning adapter, which is right now on the phone, which is 100 and no no which is another 20 euros. So I mean, it is kind of pricey, but I think the quality of the sound will probably be pretty nice. I hope I'm not getting a bad one. I'll put one of the wind socks on the microphone and test it like that. So apparently it is connected right now, which should be sounding okay, even with me holding it in my hand. And apparently, from what I read from the back of the manual, or the box, it says that I need the DJI Nemo, or Mimo, that I need the DJI Mimo app from where I can switch stuff. I think it's for another gimbal kind of thing. The app, I mean, mostly. So I think I'll download it and I'll see how the noise cancellation and stuff works. I'm, an arm's length away. I can just about touch the phone with my hand. Yeah, I think the box is very nice. It's discreet. It's easy probably to take on a trip somewhere. It has the USB-C port, so, and also, you can probably charge it with one of those phone charger things just easily, which are, plentiful everywhere. You have like trains, planes, cars. What else? Now that I have two of the microphones, it's, if one runs out of power, I can just take the other one out from here and keep on recording. From the box, it says it's 10 grams, one of these microphones, which is nice. High quality audio with stable transmission. We'll see. I mean, we'll have to try and do an outdoors thing, but now it's nighttime outside, so you couldn't see how far I'm away from the camera. 48 hours with the operation. 48-hour operation with the case, as this recharges these every time you put them in. And if I remember correctly, you can recharge all of these like 3 times before it runs out of battery. So, 48 hours of recording time. How much recording do I do? Maybe 20 minutes for a 5 maybe 20 minutes for a 5 meter. Maybe like 5 minutes. Maybe like 20 minutes for a 5-minute video. But, it depends on, what I'm filming. Sometimes I can just use the whole footage. Sometimes it's snippets from here and there. 2 level of active noise cancelling. This is on 1. So I think this is going to be plenty good enough for everything. Automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. So if I shout, "Shut up!" it should lower it, hopefully, so it doesn't clip on the upper side of the thing. Oh yeah, one nice thing about these is also it has a magnet on the bottom. Now I could, when I'm doing the car stuff and, you know, when I start to record, for example, when we get the Viva done, I can place the magnet on the car to have it record the exhaust sound, maybe. That's just a thought. Now the magnet does come off, which is made for, how am I going to do this? Just a second. So behind the microphone, there's a small magnet which attaches to the backside, and you can use it to attach the microphone to, for example, your shirt, like so. Just if I get it to go there. Okay, so now it's on my shirt. This is like the third time I'm recording this because the video cut out because I have lost my space in my phone to all kinds of pictures and stuff. Anyway, I'm not sure if I tried the shouting thing, but it's supposed to auto level it so it doesn't clip, you know, up high. So, hello! Hopefully that doesn't clip on the upper side, and it works nicely. Wife is just messaging me with a million things, so I hope those sounds don't pick up on the phone when I'm recording this. Yeah, what do I think about this whole thing? What the hell? Oh, it says I'm running out of power. So what do I think about this whole thing? I'll have to listen back to the recording. I still haven't done it. I'm still recording this, so yeah. But I think the box is, you know, small. It doesn't weigh much. Well, depends on who you ask, probably. But I don't think this. You know, you just leave something else. You know, a pair of underwear or socks away from your travel pack, and you have a space for this. So I think it's a good, you know, kind of like it's a good space for it. Now, since the video cut out a few times because of space issues, I'm not sure what I talked about. So anyway, I think the inside of the box is good, and because you can take everything with you. You can take the windsock or the dead cat or whatever on the microphone, and it closes. And no, I'm not going to close it anyway. And then you can take for example, the recharging cable, and there's a spot for it in the, let's see if I can, there, right up there. You can twirl it around that. And also there's the charging places for the transmitter, which is connected to the phone, and, you know, the microphone. And they all attach in here with magnets, so it's nice and neat, and the magnets are strong. What else? All right, so I'll be testing this. So I'm like, what's the amount of, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meters away from the camera. Dog doesn't like me doing weird stuff, but I hope you can hear the voice nice and clear. So yeah, now I'm 8 meters away from the camera, which is a pretty long distance. And I think if the camera sounds good and everything, we can use this for, you know, traveling. Could be like my wife would be doing the camera work somewhere, and I could be just somewhere else talking to the camera and stuff. And, you know, so it wouldn't have to be as, so, you know, it would be nice and crisp, the sound, that is, from even this far away. So yeah, let's test it out. I'll have to see how this sounds. We'll have to try the outside test when, sunshine and weather permits. But other than that, I think this is it. This will be good for the car things. We might be going on a trip abroad, which might be in a couple of months here, like 2 months, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not good with the calendar. But anyway, if we go to the trip, I'll be taking these with me, so we can record stuff, and these will be with me when I do my stuff in the garage and stuff. So I hope the better audio quality will gather more views on this channel. And if you like this video and want to check out some of my other videos, feel free. I obviously appreciate the subscribe and like for the videos and the occasional comment, so keep them coming. Oh yeah, this is the range of stickers. There's a white DJI sticker here, then other stuff which we might not attach to the Viva windows someday, but I guess we'll see about that. Anyways, that's it for this time. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.